Let's review a file that we recently closed in Michigan. It was 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. It was a huge property, around 6,000 square feet built. So for $608,000, right? So if you're looking in New York, you probably got to pay double the price for that, right? So for this client here, he put down 20% down payment. Again, you don't have to put down 20%. There's plenty of loan options where you can put down less than that. His monthly liability was nearly $3,000 there. There were 2 borrowers on this file, and the middle credit scores was 650 for them, and household income was $161,000. And they were both small business owners, right? Small business owners in Michigan. And for this property, taxes for this property was nearly $11,000, 10,626. Most of the properties in Michigan that we see, they're nearly half the taxes. But this one, if you built it more, you're going to pay more property taxes on that. And same thing for your home insurance, nearly $4,200 there. Again, we see half of that when it's built less than that, right? So for this client, he put down 20%, so his loan amount was $486,000. His interest rate that he received, that was 7.37. One was that this is his second home. Second was that his credit scores was on the lower end, and the principal and interest based on that was $3,359. Okay, can this amount change after the closing? Everything says no there. Okay, if you're a first-time home buyer, that's what you want. Principal and interest, we mentioned 3359, no escrow account, no mortgage insurance. So whenever the time comes for property taxes or home insurance, he has to pay out of pocket, right? So nothing in escrow there. His total closing cost was $16,000. He did buy down the rate a bit because of his credit scores were on the lower end and he wanted lower. And his the services that he did not shop for, right? His credit report, even appraisal was not there because it was appraisal waiver, right? So he saved around $600 to $700 there. So in this section, only $195 total. Okay, title company charged nearly $1,800 for their lender's coverage and the closing cost. For the government, definitely on the lower end, only $65 in Michigan. If this property was in New York, you would pay thousands of dollars, okay? And prepaids, home insurance, he paid before closing $4,200 there, and prepaid interest and property taxes is going to be collectively $9,400 there, okay? No escrow account, so total closing cost that he had to bring in was pay was $16,000. So we are licensed in 8 states. If you're thinking about purchasing a house, please get in touch.